with the COVID-19 protocols. The last TTC I went to was yesterday, and that was in Machakos, but I have been to many others, including Regi, which was nowhere near being called ever going to be ready, and many others. But the long and short of it is that we have 1 month to go, and these institutions are definitely not ready. So we've presented this information to the stakeholders, and we have debated, and we have come to a unanimous consensus that it is fair and just to keep these institutions closed until January of 2021. Nevertheless, as far as the university sector is concerned, extremely good work is being done online. To this extent, some of them have already graduated, both in public and private sector. Tomorrow, Egerton is graduating virtually, and I will go there physically to be there in person to ensure that we encourage the others to continue in that manner.